Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie, and today I'm going to share with you a Walgreens and Dollar Tree Family Dollar haul that I got today with the after Valentine's Day sales, and I'm going to use this stuff for Operation Christmas Child. I decided to stop into my local Walgreens, and they had all of their Valentine's Day stuff on clearance for 80% off. And yeah, so I have these. These are flying disc, and I'm not exactly sure how they work. So let's try them out. Oh, okay. That's kind of fun. So you just squeeze it and it shoots out. Cool. And so I got a couple packs of those. Then I got these little skateboards, tiny skateboards. And let's see, there's 12 in here. And the flying disc, there's also 12 in each of those. So 12 tiny skateboards. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Oh, 5 of those and 4 of the flying disc. They were 69 cents each, I believe. And then they only had one package of the pullback planes. Let's see if I can get this one open. So these are just little airplanes, oops, that you can pull back and they go forward. These are pretty cheap little toys, but again, I have 12 of them for 69 cents. So these are gonna make just great little filler items to put something extra in the bottom of a shoebox. Y'all, my craft studio right now is such a mess. I have so many different projects going on at once. I am in the middle of painting some peg dolls. I'm in the middle of sewing some dolls. It is just crazy in here. Okay, so I got these 2 conversation hearts, and I don't remember how much, but I remember they were less than $1 each for these plushes from Walgreens. And then I got this Minnie Mouse, and she comes with her own bag, and there's just filler down here below it, so she's really not that big. And I have an idea that I'm going to do a Minnie Mouse themed box this year, and I am so excited. I actually have some fabric that I've been waiting to use. I think it's Minnie Mouse. It might be Mickey Mouse. Anyway, I'm going to make a dress with that, and I'm just so excited to put this box together. And she was $1.99 with the bag. And then, oh, another thing of skateboards. Wow. Then there were these animals. This little giraffe, and he's got a little heart on him that he's kind of holding like it's like a little balloon. So I could remove the heart and have a giraffe and a heart, or I could leave them together. I'm not sure yet. He was $1.59, and he's kind of big. Hold on, I'm back. So he is kind of big, and I want to make sure that he's going to fit into a standard shoebox. So I have a pencil case, and I have a notebook, and I'm going to put him in. Oh, yeah, he fits fine. And I could like pack him really tight, and there's still some room on the sides where I can pack lots of other things. I think he's gonna make a really great wow item. Okay, I'm glad to know that he does fit. That was a little scary because not only did I buy this giraffe, I bought all the animals they had that were the same size. So I have a skunk. He says stinking cute. I have a lion that says wild about you. Well, they're not going to stand up. Okay, I see how you're going to be. I have a tiger, and his balloon says, hug me. Another giraffe. An elephant. Oh, I think he's just so cute. Another elephant, and it says, love you a ton. And a monkey. But wait, there's more. Another tiger. Another monkey. The monkey's balloons say X heart, for hugs and kisses. Another tiger. Another giraffe. And another monkey. So again, if I take the balloons off, that's even twice as many plush that I will get out of this. And the big stuffed animals are going to make a great wow gift. I was just very excited. And for all of this from Walgreens, it was, oh, come on. With tax, $36.39. So yeah, it says store advertised savings of $135.60. So yay. Then I decided to go to, we have a combo Dollar Tree family dollar store. I actually went to my regular Dollar Tree and they didn't have any Valentine stuff. They never seem to have stuff on sale. But this family Dollar Tree combo did have Valentine's stuff. And I got this bag. Now their stuff is only 50% off, so it wasn't quite as good of a deal. So this little guy is a lot smaller and he was $1.50. And this guy was $1.50. I didn't buy every single one because, like I said, they were a lot. They weren't as cheap. This little sloth, which you can hang on, he's got Velcro on his hand. He was $1.50. Here's another $1.51. Here's another one. I did not buy all of them, I promise. Okay. But then they had these little hearts containers, and they have Valentine's tags with them. And I was thinking, I'm not sure yet what I'm going to put in here, but some kind of fun thing can be put in this little clear heart container. I might even do sewing kits or something. So there were 4 in that package, and so those were half price from Dollar Tree, so $1.25. I believe they were like 67 cents. So I believe I got 4 packages of those. So it's about 16 hearts. Then I got this little headband. I thought that was really cute. I got a couple of things of ribbon. So these were normally $1 on the Family Dollar side. And so they were 50 cents each. So I can use those to make dancing ribbon rings. I found these little paddle ball games. And there's 10 in here. And so that was 67 cents. It was on the Dollar Tree side. And I got 2 of those. And yeah. So I think I did a great haul today, and I'm so excited about all the items that I got for my Operation Christmas Child shoe boxes. And some of these I'm going to donate to my church because we're a very small church, and we have a very hefty goal this year. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, toodles!